Hello everyone, this is Przemysław Adamski talking to you on Wednesday, October 13. And in this free video, I'm going to tell you a bit about silver and what it's currently doing. Well, in short, silver is currently consolidating and is likely preparing for another big move lower. Why do I think so? Well, because of multiple reasons that are not visible on this chart, including self-similarity to early 2013 and gold stocks and many other charts and ratios. But as far as short term is concerned, well, we see a very similar pattern in silver to what we saw several times in the recent past. Silver is moving to its declining red resistance line and is relatively close to its 50-day moving average marked with blue. Okay, you can see it here. And well, the history rhymes. Silver is after breakdown below the previous lows. It's verifying this breakdown. And once it does, it's likely to slide to new lows, just like it did several times in the recent past. The important thing about silver's breakdown is that it has very little support between the level that it broke and between target area below 20, close to the $19 level, which means that it's likely it could and is likely to slide quite profoundly, perhaps in a similar manner to what it did in August. Now, having said that, let's take a look at what silver is doing in today's pre-market trading. It's moving higher, but please note that it's moving higher after 2 days of daily declines after the major reversal. What happened previously in case of silver? Well, it did the same thing. There was no intraday reversal, but there was a significant reversal when we take a look the following session, also the second day. And back then, silver did decline for 2 days. This time the declines were not that significant, but the reversal was more significant. So overall, this situation is similar. And what happened on the third day after the reversal? Well, silver moved somewhat higher. And what's happening today? Silver is moving somewhat higher. So is it a game changer? No, the history is rhyming. And so far, we see no signs that anything's different this time. In fact, please note what happened also in the previous months, when silver was after the key reversal. Then it moved back and forth for several days, and then it declined. And the silver prices at these levels of this consolidation at that time have not been seen ever since. In fact, silver is several dollars lower. What does it tell us? It tells us that today's supposedly bullish move higher in silver is not so bullish at all. All right, and therefore the short-term and medium-term outlook for silver remains bearish. But I would like to stress this. It's just about short and medium term. I do think that silver has enormous potential in the long run. I do think that silver is likely to move sharply higher in the following years, very likely exceeding its 2011 highs. In fact, I'm expecting silver to trade in triple digits in the following years. But just because something is likely to happen doesn't mean that it's likely to happen soon or very soon. In this case, especially given what's happening in other markets, it seems more likely that silver is going to decline first and rally then. And by waiting now, I think that one might be able to get much better entry prices than those who bought at the beginning of the year when silver was very popular. In fact, that was close to, very close or right at the yearly high. And in order to maximize gains on any asset, you want to buy low and sell high. And well, buying at the yearly high doesn't sound like buying low. Of course, taking a very long-term approach, if silver is trading above $100 and higher, then it's still low, buying at about $30. But if you could choose between buying at $30 and say $15 or something like that, then the odds are that you would choose the latter, right? Please note that buying at half the price will provide you with the same boost of your rate of return as if you sold at twice as high price. So by not buying at 30 but buying at 15 and selling at 100, you get the same rate of return as if you bought at 30 and then you sold at 200. And well, since it was pretty obvious that at the beginning of the year it was a top, not a bottom, then getting this sizable discount now might be much easier than to wait for silver to move from 100 then to 200. So summing up, in the short term and for the next few months, I think that silver's outlook remains bearish. I'm very bullish on silver in the very long run and in the long run as well. All right, having said that, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. I would like to invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to give me a thumbs up on the video if you liked it. If you have some questions, be sure to comment. And also, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my premium gold and silver trading alerts. If you're not ready to subscribe, please join our free mailing list. It includes a free weekly trial of my premium gold and silver trading alerts and some other premium services that we have. And also, of course, you will then stay notified with regard to all developments, also including videos such as this one, because YouTube notifications might work or might not. Our email list will most likely work. And on a final note, nothing that I said was or should be viewed as investment advice. That's just my general opinion on the markets. And please read the disclaimer below the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Signing off. Bye-bye.